Coming up, I'm going to be showing you how to make these delicious Peter Rabbit cupcakes. It's to celebrate the release of the new Peter Rabbit movie and just because they are so cute. So keep watching to find out how I made them. Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel all about Aoife. I'm Aoife and today I'm going to be showing you how to make these delicious Peter Rabbit themed cupcakes. They are my carrot patch cupcakes filled with a chocolate mud cake, Nutella, Oreos, and then topped off with a strawberry which is made to look like a carrot. I think these are just really cute. I had so much fun making them, so let's get started on this easy recipe. First up, I'm going to show you how to make my chocolate mud cake. This is a really easy recipe. I've made it loads of times and the cupcakes always come out nice and moist. So let's get started on that. To begin my delicious mud cake, I'm going to start by adding 220 grams of caster sugar to a pot. I'm then going to add 75 grams of dark chocolate, half a cup or 125 milliliters of warm or hot water, 125 grams of butter, and finally about half a tablespoon of coffee just to bring out that delicious chocolate flavour. I'm going to add this to a low heat until the butter and chocolate have melted down completely. I'm then going to transfer it to a large bowl to cool for about 5-10 minutes so that we don't scramble our eggs when we add them. While my mixture is cooling, I can get the rest of my ingredients ready. I want 1 egg lightly beaten and ready to add to my mixture. I'm also going to add 110 grams of plain flour, 15 grams of self-raising flour and 10 grams of cocoa powder to a bowl, ready to add to my mixture when it's cooled down. I'm first going to beat in my flour and cocoa powder mixture. I'm then going to add in my egg, and then my cupcake mixture will be ready to add to my cases and then to the oven. So my cupcakes are going to go into the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes. You'll know they're cooked when you insert a skewer and it comes out nice and clean. So now that our cupcakes are cooked, they've come out of the oven and I've just placed them on a wire rack to cool. And while they're cooling, I can crush my Oreos for the lovely soil effect on the top of my cupcakes. Now that my cupcakes have cooled completely, it's time to make a little well in the centre for our lovely carrot to sit in. So I'm just using a piping nozzle here. I'm just scooping out the centre of the cupcake and I'm going to add this to my Oreos later on to create that lovely soil effect. So you've got cake and Oreos on the top of the cake. So now that I've finished hollowing out my cupcakes, it's time to add some delicious Nutella. Who doesn't love Nutella? I'm going to add it to these cupcakes to create a rich, even more moist soil effect on top of the cake and in the centre. It's going to be so tasty, and when I finish adding all of my Nutella, I'm just simply going to dip my cupcakes in that lovely soil that I've made, and then I'll be ready to add my strawberries when I've dipped them in some gorgeous orange white chocolate. delicious and really cute carrots for the top of my cupcakes, I'm just going to simply wash some strawberries, dry them with a paper towel, and then I'm going to dip them in white chocolate which I've melted down and added some orange candy colour to. Using a little corn on the cob holder to really secure my strawberries when I'm dipping them in the chocolate, I'm going to dip them down using a spoon to get those hard to reach places, and then I'm just going to place them on some parchment paper to set completely. I'm going to pop them into the fridge, and when they're nice and set, I can add them to the top of my cupcakes to complete. Cupcakes. I think they turned out great and they are so tasty. If you love chocolate, you will adore these cupcakes. I hope you've enjoyed watching this tutorial today. If you have, please let me know. Please comment below, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and give me a big thumbs up. Let me know if you're going to go check out the Peter Rabbit movie, and of course if you liked these cupcakes. And I'll see you again real soon, guys. Bye bye.